So today we're going to talk about GCF, LCM, and simplest form. The standard is 6NS4. Your I can statement is, I can use prime factorization of a set of numbers to simplify the to find the GCF, LCM, and simplest form. So what is GCF? GCF stands for greatest common factor. You're going to use this when you need to simplify a fraction. This is a number that you're going to divide by. Least common multiple is LCM. You need to find LCM whenever you need to find an equivalent fraction. So this is when you need to add or subtract fractions, because you remember the denominator has to be the same. Simplest form is when you are going to divide by the GCF and the fraction will be in the most reduced equivalent. So let's do a GCF, LCM, and simplest form using the cake method, but it's going to look like a double cake method. So let's say let's look at our first example. Say I have the fraction 8/20. To do the cake method, draw a big box like we did, and you're going to write an 8 and a 20. So what number can you divide into both 8 and 20? Well, that's simple, 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 20 divided by 2 is 10. What number can go into 10 and 4? Well, that's easy, 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now let's stop right there. My GCF, since I wrote it in blue up here, I'm going to do it down here. My GCF are going to be the numbers over here. So my GCF is 2 times 2, which is 4. My simplest form, since I wrote in pink, I'm going to write in pink down here, is down here. So if I take 8/20, divide by the GCF, which is 4, I will get the simplest form, which is 2/5. Let's do another example. Say I have two numbers that I need to add together. I have 3/36 and 11/81. I would need to find the least common multiple of those two numbers so that way I can add them, because right now they currently do not have the same denominator. Okay, so I'm going to do it again. Do my upside down cake method. 36, 81, and let's divide. What number will go into 36 and 81? Well, that's 3. 36 divided by 3 is 12. 81 divided by 3 is 27. What number can go into 12 and 27? Well, that's 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 27 divided by 3 is 9. So if I wanted to find the LCM, so the least common multiple, I would need to multiply all of the numbers together that I have on the outside. And it makes it look like an L. So the least common multiple would be 3 times 3 times 4 times 9. Well, this is 9, and this is 36. So 9 times 36 is 324. And then I can use that to make equivalent fractions. Let's also say that I had the fraction 36 over 81, and I need to simplify it. Well, my GCF is right here. It's 3 times 3, which is 9. And my simplest form is right here. So if I divide by 9, which is my GCF, I will get my simplest form, which is 4/9. Make sure your page number is in the bottom right-hand corner. We are on page 5. Now follow the directions that your teacher has given you on what to do next.